Namaste, I am Divya Agrawal and I am the Associate Dean Academics at IIHMR Delhi. I welcome you all to the postgraduate program in Hospital and Health Management, which is a unique and pioneer program being offered by IIHMR Group of Institutions. If we talk about the IIHMR Group of Institutions, we are into three domains. We are into academics, we are into research, we are into the training. So I will be talking about all the domain areas in which IIHMR Delhi is known for. First is the academics. IIHMR Delhi is known for offering a 2-year postgraduate program in hospital and health management. In the second year, we offer specialization into the health management, hospital management, and health information technology. As you have seen during this pandemic, the government focus is more on the healthcare industry right now, and there is a dearth of professionals who can manage the healthcare facilities. So this course offers the opportunity to all the young graduates to hone up their skills into the healthcare sector or healthcare management, and they can join the respective domains where they find interest, and they can pursue their career into the either health management or hospital management or health IT vertical. If we are talking about the placement records of IIHMR Delhi, right from its inception, we have got 100% placement records of all the students who have graduated from IIHMR. As far as alumni is concerned, IIHMR has more than 3,000 plus alumni from IIHMR Group of Institutions. We are having the research forte as well, where the faculty and the research staff of IIHMR are involved in large scale surveys, and they are working into the different verticals. They are doing the research work into the different domains of healthcare sector. As far as the training is concerned, for training, we train the health professionals, or we train the Ministry of Health professionals who are working in different countries into the domain of hospital management or health management area. Many of our students who have graduated from IIHMR Delhi, they have made their career into the hospital sector, where they are working with the premium hospitals like, or the corporate hospitals like Medanta, Fortis, Manipal Hospital, Narayana Health, and they are making their or shining their career into the hospital domain as well. There are many alumni who are working into the healthcare sector. They are working into the key projects of the Government of India, where they are involved into the initiatives like Ayushman Bharat, and they are also working into the National Health Digital Mission, which has been recently been rolled out by the Government of India. As far as health IT is concerned, the students, they are being employed by different health IT organizations, as the government focuses more on the usage of technology into the healthcare sector now. So the students, they get placed into Deloitte, Accenture, IQVIA, or they are getting placed in Allscripts, Attune Technologies, so you name it, and the students are there into these domains of healthcare sector. So I would like to invite you to join or to explore this area of healthcare management and make your career into the healthcare industry, which is much in demand, and you can explore the life which the healthcare managers they lead after they graduate from IIHMR Delhi. Thank you.